Hello family, and welcome back to our wild Ohio.
Today we're taking the adventure indoors to explore one of Central Ohio's coolest hidden gems. If you think you need to be outside to connect with nature, think again. We're about to show you a place that brings the wild inside in the most amazing way. Ready? Let's go. We're at the Blacklick Woods Nature Center, a place that's part museum, part playground, and all around awesome. Whether it's a rainy day, a little too chilly, or you just need a break from the sun, the spot is perfect for a family-friendly dose of nature. It's not just a building. It's a living, breathing celebration of Ohio's ecosystems, designed to spark curiosity in everyone, from toddlers to grandparents.
Hey fam, if our videos speak to you, don't just scroll by. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're here to build something real with this community, and hearing from you means everything.
Good morning.
Right as you walk through the doors, you're greeted by this incredible wall of aquariums. These tanks are like little windows into Ohio's underwater world. You can see native turtles paddling gracefully, different kinds of fish that you'd find in our local rivers and ponds, and other freshwater residents just doing their thing. I could honestly stand here all day, just watching them. It's so peaceful and mesmerizing, and the kids absolutely love getting nose to nose with the turtles. It's an immediate wow factor and the perfect start to our indoor journey. You have to check this out. These massive birdwatching windows are like nature's own movie theater. They overlook a series of feeders that attract an incredible variety of local birds. Look, there's a bright red cardinal, and over there, a little chickadee. We've seen woodpeckers, blue jays, and so many more. You can just pull up a chair, grab some binoculars, and watch the show. It's a peaceful, ever-changing spectacle and a perfect reminder of the beauty that's all around us. The Nature Center recently had a major refresh, and let me tell you, the new interactive exhibits are fantastic. They've really leveled up the experience, making learning about Ohio's natural history an actual adventure. These displays aren't just for looking at, they're for touching, exploring, and engaging with. One of the things I love most about the Blacklick Woods Nature Center is how truly family-friendly it is. They've thought of everything to make a visit with little ones as smooth as possible. You'll find coloring sheets and activities to keep small hands busy. And there's even a fully stocked family restroom for those unpredictable moments every parent knows so well. It is these thoughtful details that make you feel truly welcome and allow you to relax and just enjoy the experience with your family. Now, follow me around this corner. Tucked away here is a super cozy and creative spot, the puppet theater. This is where imagination really comes to life. Sometimes there are scheduled performances, but even when there aren't, kids can grab a puppet and put on their own show. It's a fantastic way to introduce them to wildlife through storytelling and play. You can see the pure joy on their faces as they make a little fox or an owl talk. It's all about laughter, creativity, and making memories. Explore how local habitats change with the seasons and really dive deep into the science of our own backyard. You can learn to identify different animal tracks. One of my favorite new additions is this animal pelt wall. Now, this is a truly powerful experience. You can gently touch and feel the real pelts from native Ohio species. Feeling the difference between the fur of a raccoon and a deer gives you a whole new appreciation for these animals and their incredible adaptations. It is a tactile way to connect with wildlife that you just can't get from a book. It's respectful, educational, and honestly pretty unforgettable. Before we wrap up our visit to Blacklick Woods, let's take one last stroll along the path to the Nature Center. We'll soak in the scenery, listen to the birds serenade the trees, and maybe even catch sight of a few curious mushrooms tucked beneath the leaves. that's a wrap on our indoor adventure at the incredible Blacklick Woods Nature Center. We've seen turtles, put on a puppet show, touched history, and watched the birds. What an amazing place to connect with Ohio's wild side, all under one roof. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's next. And you definitely won't want to miss part 3 of our Blacklick Woods series, where I bring my fuzzy friend Snoop along for a walk on the trails. You can also follow our daily adventures on TikTok and Instagram and X. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of our growing community. Every like, share, and comment helps us keep exploring and sharing the beauty of our wild Ohio. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and above all, stay wild, my friends.
Well, this brings us to the end of another episode, my friends. It's always a pleasure to share this journey with you, and I truly hope you found some valuable insights along the way. If you'd like to stay connected, I invite you to join our family by signing up for our newsletter at ourwildohio.com, so we can keep you up to date on everything we have planned. Also, it helps support the channel and doesn't cost you anything, but it helps us more than you know. We're also dropping bombs of knowledge over on Instagram, TikTok, and X, so don't miss out on the unique content that you'll only see there. Now get out there and enjoy our wild Ohio, and until we meet again, stay wild, my friends. Thank you for watching Our Wild Ohio. It's support from viewers like you who make it all possible. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Join our family and become a member of Our Wild Ohio by visiting the link in the description below. And until we meet again, stay wild, my friends.